This recipe is called the screwed coffee driver. So screwdriver is basically a traditional cocktail that has again two ingredients, vodka and orange juice. It is said to believe that it was started or invented in the America in about 1944 or 1945. One of the reasons why such a drink was started was because people did not want other people to know that they are consuming alcohol. And that was pretty much how cocktails started anyway. This particular version also has coffee, but of course, if you know a lot of places that serve good coffee, they have a drink called as a coffee orange juice or an espresso orange juice, which is basically just coffee or some kind of a coffee decoction, whether it's an espresso made from mocha, and they add to orange juice, which is actually a pretty fantastic drink. So I've just taken the traditional drink, which is a screwdriver, which is vodka and orange juice, and we've added a bit of coffee to it. So let's see how this recipe goes. We'll start this recipe in the similar way how you would make a traditional screwdriver. So basically filling up a highball or a tall glass with a lot of ice. Okay, so then you put some alcohol. We're going to be using vodka for this as well. I'm just going to use a 30 ml instead of a 60 ml because I'm going to be adding 30 ml of coffee as well, which will also add to the bitterness. So the idea is whenever you are adding coffee to a cocktail, just keep in mind that you will be increasing the bitterness. So you'll have to think ahead of time how to balance or cut it out. Denied. So then you basically add the orange juice. So that's your traditional screwdriver. And then the espresso poured on top. And this is what a screwed coffee driver looks like.